Dr. Rose, Natural Transplants. I have Kamal this morning, all the way from Honduras. How are you doing?
I'm pretty good. I'm excited.
I'm excited for you. So Kamal reached out for a consultation 3 days ago, and we happened to have a cancellation, and he jumped on a plane and is here. So that's pretty exciting.
Yeah. That was great. I took the option that you had and just got a plane and come in.
That's how badly you wanted this. That's wonderful. All right, so tell me, what made you decide to get a transplant, and what are you looking to get out of this?
Yeah, what made me decide is that I within 3 to 4 years I lost a lot of hair. I don't know why, right? But so what I want is to get back my hair.
Oh, it's a good reason. All right, we'll do that today for you. So yes, you have your hairline has receded, and you have thinning throughout the vertex and the crown. So we've got a lot of work to do today, but we'll get you the maximum amount that we can. All right?
Excellent.
Sounds good. Dr. Rose, I'm just showing this hairline here. Kamal has a little bit of a thinner hair type, so we are going to be drawing out this hairline. It's going to be soft and feathered when we're finished, but this really suits his face shape. It's not a complete rounded look. It has a little bit of a hybrid in it. And then today we're going to be focusing on this frontal area and going all the way to the vertex and back. So just showing that for you. Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants. We're following up at the end of the case with Kamal. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
Yeah?
Doing well.
Wasn't too bad for you?
No, it wasn't. It was great. It was great. And all the people are really great.
Great technicians.
Yeah.
I agree. Awesome. So we got you a ton of hair today. Just look down a little bit so we can kind of show here. Really got you a lot of coverage. This is our plus case, and couldn't be happier, and I'm glad that the day was smooth for you.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Great.
Better than expected.
Happy to hear that. All right, we'll be following up with you and seeing these hairs grow in throughout the course of the year.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're here at the end of the case with Kamal. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Wonderful. Are you in any pain?
No pain. Until now, no pain.
That's wonderful to hear. All right, and we just went over all of the post-op instructions. You got it all?
I'm clear as crystal.
Love it. All right, sounds good. Thanks for being a great patient today.
Okay, thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.